House channel, your home for all things hospitality. I'm your host, Jill Goldfine. This is part 2 of our packing series. If you have not yet seen our video on packing toiletries, I will link that at the end of this video. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to efficiently pack for a 3-day business trip. So, let's get started. Meetings are coming back, and it's been a while since we've all packed for a business trip. Even a seasoned road warrior needs a quick refresh. So we are going to come up with a plan, a color scheme, and an efficient way to put it all into this little baby. I'm going on a 3-day business trip. So I have laid out my clothes. Sometimes I take pictures of each day to be efficient so I know exactly what I'm wearing each day and evening. But here is my setup day. The first day will be casual because it'll be a manual labor running around kind of day. My second day is corporate, so I need business attire. And my third day is business casual. I am also bringing one extra outfit, a dress here that can be dressed up or down in case I need it for the day or for night. It's perfectly acceptable for corporate environment. And as you can see, I have kept with a recurring theme of pinks and raspberries as my theme for this trip. Packing is more than just the basic outside attire. You also need pajamas and workout clothes and your intimates, which are not displayed here, will make believe, and your toiletries. This is a lot to remember and absorb, so don't worry. Event House has a very thorough, easy to read and check mark packing list. It is available complimentary to our viewers. It will be shown at the end of this video, and if you would like your own copy, please let us know in the comments below. My favorite thing for efficient packing is packing cubes. They come in all kinds of colors and sizes. This is a set that I happen to like. They're black. They are nylon and squishable, and half of the top is mesh, so you can see what is inside them. That's the large, I have a medium, and I have some smalls. You'll see momentarily how easy it is to use them and take your things out and know what's in them. Also, jewelry. It's hard, all different kinds of jewelry. It's hard to know what to take, what to pack, how to pack it. So I have various cases and pouches. I also love these mesh bags. Come in all different sizes and colors. You can see in them. Your necklaces and chains can dangle out of them. Cinch it up and nothing gets tangled. When I'm traveling for a couple of days, I definitely like to work out. So I dedicate one of my packing cubes to my workout clothes. So I'm going to show you how I pack so efficiently in one. And I always stuff the sneakers. One gets filled with socks. And one gets filled with a sports bra. Goes right in there. Sometimes easier than other times. But we jam it in. And then you can see my shoes are dirty. So I take shower caps. Perfect to take from hotels. They always have them available. Wrap it up. Then you can start to fill your bag. One tip, I like to put a piece of tape on the packing cube. And then with a Sharpie, you can write workout. And then you will know that your workout clothes go in this one for when you repack or you want to keep it for another trip. It's already labeled. So the sneakers fit in here. This is the small size. And I roll up. I'm a big fan of rolling. You will see throughout this video, I roll things as much as possible. It keeps wrinkles to a minimum and Helps squeeze things in nice and flat. And there you go. There's a pouch. These cubes are remarkable. You will see I am going to roll all these clothes as wrinkle-free as possible, and they are going to fit inside this cube. So here we go. So our clothes are all packed efficiently and very neat. I have used a different packing cube for shoes. These are adorable, but ouch, very high. So I have flats for comfort and can be neutral and dressed up and down. And these are the fun business casual wedges. So I'm going to zip this up and pack it. The last bit are the toiletries to go in. Put this on the bottom. Put this in. See, nylon is very mushable. And then pack it up. And I am ready to go. I know that you meeting planners out there have some great tips of your own. Please share them in the comments because I'm always interested in hearing them, and I'm sure our hospitality community can benefit as well. So, safe travels, everyone.